Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today let's read reported speech. Reported speech also is called direct speech and indirect speech. What is the use in our day-to-day lives? Why should we learn reported speech? What is the purpose of learning reported speech? You see, if there is a person, okay, suppose let us say this is Ram, okay, this is Ram. He meets whom? He meets he meets Gopal. Okay. Ram meets Gopal and they have a conversation. They talk to each other. What do they talk? So he says, I am going to market. I will bring vegetables. So, like this, I am going to market. Who is saying? Ram is saying. Whom is saying to? Is telling to Gopal all these things about himself. Okay. Now they are going on their own way. Gopal is coming to me. Gopal comes to me. Okay. When Gopal comes to me, this is me here. Okay. When Gopal comes to me, how will he explain whatever Ram has told him? How will he express? Will he express? Se express karibo ki I am going to market. So what will I understand if Gopal says that I am going to market? Then what will you understand? Will understand that not Ram, rather Gopal is going to the market. I will bring vegetables. So केमिति लागु छटा जेमिति कि गोपाल किछि vegetables आनिबो सेमति नै कि राम आनिबो जदि आमे प्रॉपर वे रे ताकू एक्सप्लेन करिबा नाही रिपोर्ट करिबा नाही then we will understand that the second person is doing all these things, not the first person. Okay, first person told to the second person is going and reporting everything to the third person. Okay, me is the third person there. Okay, if he doesn't report proper, if the second person does not report all these things properly, if he says I am going to the market, the third person will understand that the second person is going to the market, not the first person. Understand? And if he says that I will bring vegetables, then who is going to bring the vegetables? The second person, Gopal, is going to bring the vegetables, not the first person. But actually, who has said all these things? Ram has said, the first person has said. So we have to learn in the correct way of reporting the speech of the first person. So first person ର speech को आमे correct way रे report कले ही जने third person बुझी परिबो से सब जिंस को. तो देखिबा वर्तमान केमिति report करा जाउछे. There are two types of verbs we have to deal with in this reported speech. Okay, one is reporting verb, another is reported verb. Okay, reporting verb is this one. He said, this is the reporting verb, and whatever is the speech inside the speech, okay, particular speech he has said. Suppose let us say, I went to market. Okay, I went to market. Understand? Full stop here. So now this one is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. And this verb in the inside the inverted comma, whatever we get, that is called reported. This is called reported. Reported verb. Understand? Is that clear? All right. Now let us say this verb can change. If this verb will always remain a simple past, and when this verb is simple past, when this reporting verb is simple past, if this is in simple past, Then we will read some rules or the structures we have to remember, or the rules we will read that will be applied to the reported speech. Otherwise, if this is in simple past, this will remain as the same. Okay. So reporting verb, if this reporting verb remains simple past, if it is simple past, যদি এটা সিম্পল পাস্ট রহিব তাহলে আমি কিছু রুলস পড়িবা, যে রুলস কি আমার রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ রে আপ্লাই করা যাই পারিব, আমি চেঞ্জ করিবা। আউ ম্যাক্সিমম টাইম রে আমার রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা সিম্পল পাস্ট থাকে। আর যদি বি কিছু এক্সেপশনাল রহুছি, যেমিতি কি হি সেস, যদি এমিতি রহিব হি সেস, ওকে, তাহলে যাহা বি রিপোর্ট করা যাଉଛି, ওকে, সেটা সেমতিকা রহিব, দেয়ার উইল নট বি এনি চেঞ্জ। সেটা সে he says I am going to market. He says I am going to market. যেতବେଳେ সে he says I am going to market, সেটা সেমিতিকা রহিব। he says that he is going to market, the tense কেবে বি চেঞ্জ হব নাই, ইয়ার টেন্স কেবে চেঞ্জ হব ନାହିଁ। কিন্তু যেতବେଳେ এই রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব সিম্পল পাস্ট থিব, তাহলে এই রিপোর্টেড ভার্ব চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাব, তারপরে টেন্স চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাব। ওকে, কিন্তু এটা থিলে সেস থিলে কি টেলস থিলে কি সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট থিলে রিপোর্টেড ভার্ব কেবে চেঞ্জ হব নাই, টেন্স চেঞ্জ হব নাই, সেই সেম টেন্স রহিব। অন্য প্রোনাউন্স যাক চেঞ্জ হয়ে পারিব, অ্যাডভার্ব যাক চেঞ্জ হয়ে পারিব, কিন্তু টেন্স সেম রহিব। আমি দেখিবা, নাও উই উইল সি সাম রুলস in which case, the case when the reporting verb is simple past, the reporting verb simple past le ami kichhi rules padya, se rules guliko apply kariba। okay, और tense को change कर देखा। are you ready? Let's see rule number 1. In the rule number 1 we will see the present simple tense will become past simple, okay, when the reporting verb remains, when the reporting verb is simple past. He said, this verb is simple past. When it is simple past, the reported speech will change into reported speech, whatever tense is there, present tense. If present simple, if it is present simple, that will become past simple. Let's see. He said, I want your pen. Okay, so if I report this one, যেটা আমি রিপোর্ট করিবি, তো I have to use a connector, a relative pronoun. What will the relative pronoun? Declarative sentence से तुम्हें मन रखो, declarative sentence যেতବେଳେ থিব, if this one is your declarative sentence, okay, that is in the inverted comma, then you have to use that connector you have to use. Okay, ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ interrogative থিବ, if it is interrogative sentence, two types are there. Okay, one is WH, okay, another is yes no. Yes, one is WH or another is yes no question. Okay, so when the sentence is in WH, then the connector will be the same WH word. If it is yes no question, the connector will be if or whether. Okay, if it is yes no question, the connector will be if or else or whether. Okay, clear? If or whether. Let's see example. Okay, एटार आमे reported speech कर दवा। Okay, that use करके he said that he, एटा देखो, this pronoun will change according to the reporting pronoun. Okay, he said, who said? He. That means he wants, okay, he wants your pen. Understand? So he said that he, this will change into past simple, he wanted. your pen. Clear all of you? Now let's see one interrogative sentence. Okay. He said, what do you know about me? What do you know about me? Okay, तो आमे कहिलु कि इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस थिले WH वर्ड थिले, सो से WH वर्ड विल act as connector. Okay, he asked, जेहेतु पचारुचे, so he asked what, this will become simple past, and the questioning sentence will change into declarative sentence. Question will not no more be question in the reported speech, it will be a declarative sentence. Remember this one, very important. Okay, he asked what I knew about him. Clear all of you? So WH word also hela, eta dekho declarative sentence hela, mu eta ko question sentence re rakhil nahi, eta question pacharuchi what do you know about me. So declarative reported speech re kon hobo what I knew about him. Clear? ताको आमे गोटे yes no question देखिबा. Okay, he said, do you understand? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? तो कौन होगा? He asked if or whether I understood him. Understood him. Clear all of you? तो बहुत इजीली आमे कर देले. तो तीन प्रकार सेंटेंस, डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कले, WH वर्ड सेंटेंस कले, आउ yes no क्वेश्चन मध्य कले. एठी समस्त क्लियर? एबे आमे देखिबा रूल नंबर 2. ओके, रूल नंबर 2 कोन? प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस will become past continuous. Okay, where the reported speech re change hobo. Okay, let us see an example. He said, you can take this one, any simple sentence. Okay, simple past, any verb you can take. Okay, he reported, he inquired, anything. He said, I am doing my work. He said, I am doing my work. Declarative sentence amane golu. He said, I am doing my work. So it is a declarative sentence. Ame jare declarative sentence ko add kariwa, tahale amku that ro use kariyak padibo. That use karike ame ei dita ko add kariwa. Es dita sentence ko add kariwa. To kon hobo? He said that. He said that. I ta kon hei jibo? He hei jibo. Okay, he said that he was doing. माइटा कौन है जीवो? he रे माइटा he से जीवो. Okay, his work. He said that he was doing his work. Okay, this is the right answer. हमें गुटे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस को नहीं जा WH वर्ड रो देखिया. He said, what are you doing? बहुत सिंपल सेंटेंस ने होचे हमें तुमरो इजी बुझिया पाई. What are you doing? Okay, he said, what are you doing? तो what will be the answer? आमे कहिथिलु कि जेतडे क्वेश्चन आसीबो with WH word, you have to use the same word to connect the two sentences, two speeches. So he asked. He asked what. This interrogative sentence will no more be interrogative, rather it will be a declarative sentence. So he asked what I was doing. What I was doing. Sorry, full stop here, not question mark. Okay, is that clear? आमे गोटे yes no question देखि दवा तापरे next move करिया. Okay. He said, are you joining us? Are you joining us for the party? Are you joining us for the party? So eita there I mean reported speech रे करिबा तो कोन होबो? He asked whether or if I was joining them for the party. Okay, so let's write the answer. He asked if, you can write also whether, anyone I said. Okay, whether I was joining them for the party. Clear? He asked if or whether I was joining them for the party. So this will be the right answer. Now let's see the third rule. What is the third rule? The present perfect tenses will change into past perfect tense. Okay, let's see. Example. Time waste direct to the point. Okay. So he said, I have completed my task. Stop. He said, I have completed my task. So this is a declarative sentence. So या को हम change करिया पाए हेले किछ बेसिक किछि परिश्रम नाही तो हम that को यूज करिया that connector भाबरे यूज होचे एटे. ओके, तो लिखि देबा आंसर. He said that he. ओके, pronoun change होबो जोटा रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच रे अछि सेटा जीवो reported speech को. Okay, he said that he had, एटा होछि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट रहछि ताको हमें पास्ट परफेक्ट करियार अछि. Okay, he had completed my becomes his task. क्लियर हे गला. ओके, बहुत इजी, तुम इजीली चेंज करिवरो. एटा सब एग्जाम रे पड़ो, सब कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रे एडा आसे तो तुमको रूल मन रखा पड़ो. बहुत सिंपल रूल. ओके, तो हमें क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस देखिदा काइना क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस टिके डिफिकल्ट लागे पिला मानन को. तो लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंसेस. ओके, WH question. He said what have you done to what have you done to your sister? To your sister. Okay, तुम sister को तुम्हें कौन करिछो? Okay, so question mark here. So what will the answer? This one you have to change, and this questioning sentence will become declarative sentence. Okay, so देखियो He asked what I had done to my sister. Sister. Okay. So he asked what I had done to my sister. Clear? ଏବେ ଆମେ yes no question ଦେଖିଦେବା. He said, he said, have you taken, have you taken your lunch? Okay, have you taken your lunch? So तुम कौन करिवो एटा को डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कर दबो को ऐड करिया पई कनेक्ट करिया पई तुमको इफ और वेदर रो आवश्यकता पड़िवो तो बारंबार कहूची तुम लिखो ही आस्क्ड if or whether तुम लिख परिवो if or whether I had done my sorry I had taken my lunch लिखो I had taken my lunch. क्लियर समस्त को बहुत इजी. वर्तमान प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस को रिपीटेड स्पीच कला बेले सेटा को टेंस रे चेंज होबो व्हिच टेंस it will become past perfect progressive. Okay, whatever tense, if the tense is present perfect progressive in the reported speech, when it is reported, okay, when it is reported that will become past perfect progressive. सेटा past perfect progressive को चेंज हे जिवो. देखियो एग्जांपल देखियो. He said I have been reading this book for a long time. Okay, time period देवाक पड़िवो. I have been reading full stop. So I have been reading this book for a long time. बहुत दिन और मु ए बुक टा पढोचे. तो यहाँ को हमें चेंज कला बड़े कौन हबो he, it is a declarative sentence, so you have to just use that to connect the two sentences. He said that this will become past perfect progressive. Okay, he said that he had been reading, so this will become that. आहरी बहुत कथा आम जाना धीरे धीरे सब जिनस आम जाना रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विषय तो so this becomes that, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes next day. तो एमती बहुत गुड़े जिनस अच्छी जाना. तो he said that he had been reading that book, okay, that book for a long time. क्लियर समस्त को बहुत इजी. एबे हमें गोटे क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस देखि देबा. ओके, क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस लेट्स सी. तो तुम लिखि दियो, पॉज करके लिखि परिबो. ओके, तो क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस WH क्वेश्चन. ही सेड what have you been building or making since a month. Okay, गोटे मास तुम कौन बनाऊछ. ओके, एमती गोटे सेंटेंस हे गला. ओके, व्हाट हैव यू बीन मेकिंग सिंस ए मंथ. ओके, तो देखो एटा को जेतोडा हमें चेंज करा तो दिस सेम वर्ड विल बी देयर एज कनेक्टर. क्लियर. तो तुम देखो he asked what I had been making since ए मंथ क्लियर समस्त को बहुत इजी ओके तो आम प्रेजेंट पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव को पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव चेंज कर देला आ गोटे सेंटेंस देखि त तुमरो बुझिया पाई ही सेड have you have you been working there working here have you been working here for for a okay for a long time okay it a question mark have you been working here for a long time here will become there okay so हमें चेंज करिवा he asked if or whether I had been working there for a long time something will remain here तो मु आशा करूची तुम माने ए कांसेप्ट बुझी गलो आमे प्रेजेंट माने टेंसेस गुडी को को टेंस रे चेंज होचे प्रेजेंट टेंसेस गुडी को टेंस रे चेंज करा जाउछे ओके सबु प्रेजेंट टेंस गुडी को पास्ट टेंस रे चेंज करा होचे माने प्रेजेंट सिंपल टा पास्ट सिंपल हो जाउछे प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टा पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव हो जाउछे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टा पास्ट परफेक्ट हो जाउछे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टा पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव हो जाउछे केते बेले व्हेन जेते बेले एई जे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सिंपल पास्ट रहउछे एटा जे सिंपल पास्ट रहउछे हम रोल जाको काम करूछे ओके जेते बेले एटा सिंपल प्रेजेंट हे जिवो ओके अन्य वर्ब भी रही परिबो सेमति किछि नै कि सेड ही रहिबो अन्य वर्ब भी सिंपल पास्ट रही परिबो तो एते बेले सिंपल पास्ट हबो सेही समय हम रोल काम करिवो नहले से रोल काम करिवो नै सेटा डिफरेंट हे जो जेते बेले सिंपल प्रेजेंट हे जिवो तो हमरो एठी कोन हबो जो सेंटेंस भी अच्छे जो टेंस भी अच्छे से टेंस का रहिबो कि चेंजेस होबो नाही ओके मु आशा करछि एटा तुमरो डाउट क्लियर हे गला ओके थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग फॉर मोर वीडियोस लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब